Hello, you probably seen me on your feed somewhere and you're like, oh, who is this girl? Like, I never introduced myself, you don't know much about me, but today I want to make a video with a few questions and answers that I asked you on Instagram to ask me to share with you. I didn't get any questions, like I posted it and nobody asked me a question. Like, I guess, I don't know. So since you didn't ask me a question, now I have to come up with my own questions that I did because nobody cares about me and nobody wants to know more about me, which is fine, but I'm still gonna let you know about me. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, this is what I do for work. Let's see. Yeah, some of my videos have gone viral. Like the hair video went viral, my tattoo video went viral when I tattooed my husband's name on my back. See, it's right here. Can you see? Oh yeah, I tattooed his name on my back and that went viral too. It's like at almost 800k right now. And then the video of me cleaning my patio, that went a little bit viral too. So I have a few viral videos, but none of you really know me like that. Like I never really talked to you. So yeah, I'm gonna be formally introducing myself. My name is Vanessa. Nice to meet you. Just kidding, that was weird. My name is Hillary Vanessa Camacho, because I know you always see Lilahalo, or then now I'm changing it to like Vanessa Banegas. That's my husband's last name that I want to take, so I want to change my name because I don't like my name. I never liked Hillary. People are like, oh, that's so pretty. I hate that name because it reminds me of Hillary Clinton. Like everybody since I've been growing up, oh my goodness, people are like, are you Hillary Clinton? And I'm like, or the old people will be like at my job when I'm on the phone, they'll be like, Hillary Clinton, I hate her. And I'm just like, what does that got to do with me? Like, I'm Hillary Camacho. So I'm going to be changing my name to Vanessa Banegas, because Vanessa's my middle name. Banegas is my husband's last name, and it kind of rhymes, don't you think? Vanessa Banegas. But my husband got my name tatted right here. He got Hillary right here. So I'm gonna have to keep Hillary just for that reason, because my boo got it on him. Anyway, that's enough about my name. How old am I? So I am 26 years young. I am getting old though. Like I feel old, low-key. Like I don't know why, but ever since I hit 25, like I started seeing wrinkles. Like look. See? When I smile, I start seeing wrinkles on my face. Just randomly, or my pores are getting bigger, and I'm like terrified of getting old. I'm terrified. But at the same time, I want to age gracefully. Like I don't want to do too much Botox. I don't want to do none of that. But yeah, I'm 26. I was born in August 1998. I was born in the 1900s. Yes. Okay, and next question that nobody asked me, how tall am I? I am 5'1". I'm a shorty. And growing up, people would call me short. Like people would be like, oh, you're shorty, and I would get my feelings hurt. Like I was like, wow, because I was so tiny. But now that I'm tiny, I love it. Like I love being fun size. So where do I live? I live in Houston, Texas. Like I'm in the straight up heat right now, and it's in the middle of November. It's hot here. Like if only you knew how hot it is right now, and it's in the middle of November. Like the sun was out and I was gonna get a tan already because it's so hot. But yeah, I'm used to the heat. I love Texas. Yeah. But I'm Mexican though. Like my family is Mexican, so I was born here. My family came from Mexico. Yeah, I mean, if that was shocking, yeah. I'm Mexican. Am I single? Well, obviously no. Now I told you, like I have my husband's name tatted on me. No, I'm not single. I'm happily married. I just got married to the love of my life. My baby, I miss him. He went to go do something, but he'll be back. But yeah, I'm married. What do I do for work? Okay, now getting more into the insurance, the boring part of this video. I work in insurance. So what I do is I pretty much call people every day and annoy them and offer them insurance until they buy from me. That's what I do. I harass people. I harass people for a living, yes. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. I don't harass people. I help people, but like we do have a system where we have to follow up. And some people are like, "Why are you harassing me?" But I'm not. I'm just trying to help. Anyway, is insurance boring? No, it's not boring. No, it's not. I actually have a blast on my job. Like, we're always laughing. I have a blast, and it's really hectic. Like, it gets hectic because we're busy all the time. And no, it's not boring at all. Like, of course, every job has its pros and cons, but I love what I do. Like, I really do love what I do. Well, I'm gonna go to the next question that nobody asked me. Okay, so a little bit about my family history. My grandmother, she's Mexican, and she crossed the border. She immigrated here from Mexico when my mom was 14 years old. So my mom didn't know any English when she came here. My grandmother made it to the 3rd grade. My mom made it to 11th grade. She was a high school dropout. So with that being said, education was really instilled on me. They really pushed me to get an education. They were like, that's the most important thing that you'll have here, so please get an education. So that's what I did. And I kind of, growing up, you know, I had to figure things out on my own, being that I was like, you know, the first generation student and all that, and the first one to ever take honors classes, and the first to ever like go to college and all that. And yeah, I had to do everything on my own, hustle on my own. I started working at Burger King when I was 14 years old. Don't ask me how, because you're not allowed to work at that age in certain places. Yeah, my mom was a manager at Burger King for like 10 years, and I would go and help her and everything, like without people knowing, but I was doing work. Yeah, so then from an early age, I was like really like a hustler. Like I've had so many jobs. I worked at Little Caesars. I worked at, you know, Burger King was my first job. I worked at HEB. I worked at a perfume store. Yeah, so growing up, obviously, you know, I never had much. As corny as that sounds, we didn't have much materialistic wise, you know, money wise. Of course, I had a lot of love and support from my mom, but even then, you know, my mom, she would leave us alone to go work for most of the day, and night sometimes too. So I had to take care of my younger siblings. I was left responsible for my siblings. I had to take care of them. I had to feed them, and I did my best that I could. But mom did what she had to do to survive. So I guess that's why now I'm really like responsible, and I give thanks to that. I give thanks to those experiences, that I'm really responsible, and I'm really like headstrong, and I really build character, because I had to kind of figure everything out on my own. Literally, like everything. Not everything, you know, but most things in life. Like, I had to get my license. I got it on my own. My mom didn't give me her insurance. I had to look for my own insurance. I was driving without insurance because I couldn't afford it, and I don't know why my mom never added me to her policy. Like, she didn't want to add me until one day I crashed the car, and then she was like, I'm definitely not gonna add you now. So that was that. You know, things like that, general things that other people have help with, I didn't, you know. And I'm not complaining at all. Like, I'm happy and I'm thankful to my mom for just being born. Like, for her giving me the gift of life, that's all. Like, that's all. Everything else she did was extra, and that's how I see life, and that's the outlook that I have, and that's the outlook that I have on sales. So the reason why I love insurance so much is because I get what I put in. So whenever I'm feeling energetic, when I'm feeling motivated, and when I'm feeling like I want to work, and I make the phone calls, and I send the emails, and I do the work, I see that in return. There are months, not gonna lie, where it's not as good. I'm not as up there. I'm not as motivated, and I'm slacking. And then I can see that in the numbers. I can see that on my paycheck. I see that. So it's a direct reflection of myself, and that really captivates me, because that's how life works in my mind. Like, I get what I give. Does that make sense? Yeah. I get in life what I give. So working in sales has really emphasized that, and really opened up my vision and my perspective to that kind of mentality, where like I'm hustling, and that's what I'm going to get in return. And that's what I love. That's why I love to do insurance. And not only that, not only because of financial gain and the like strong development that I've had mentally and emotionally, it's also because I love to help people. I really do genuinely love to help people, especially my Hispanic community, especially los Latinos. Though y'all don't be knowing anything, like y'all don't know anything about insurance, and I'm here for that. I'm here to show you, and I'm here to explain it to you, and I'm here to guide you, because toda mi gente, everybody that is kind of like, they've been here for a while too, but they're immigrants, you know. That's my husband. Oh my god, he made me shy. And honestly, I love getting those type of customers that don't know much about insurance, because they really do want to know. They want to learn what this means, what this covers, you know, what are the terms and conditions. They want to know the ins and outs, but they're kind of afraid to ask, or they're afraid to speak up, or they don't know how to ask the question. Because my grandmother, I experienced that with her growing up, where she was like, oh no, you call here, can you call for me? And I'm like, grandma, but they have Spanish speaking people, but she just, even though they speak Spanish, they're still not speaking her language, because it's big terminology. And most of these people that are Hispanic, they didn't have like a higher education, if you think about it, you know. So even words like in Spanish, like you know, coverage, they know that, right? But I'm talking about like premium, like prorated amount, what else, policy holder, named insured, you know, all these big terms like deductibles and liability limits and uninsured motorists and comprehensive deductible, collision deductible, rental car, roadside assistance. They're like, what is that, what is that? And it's so basic to us as insurance agents, because we've been in the industry for so long. But for people like my grandma and people like, you know, regular people out there, especially Hispanic people, they don't know much about anything. And I love explaining it to them, because I feel like I have a really good way of explaining it to them and breaking it down where it's you know, digestible and easy to understand. So that's really why I love what I do, because I feel like I work for a really good company, a really well-known, recognized company that's reputable. It's with Allstate. I work at Allstate, where you're in good hands. Anyway, yeah, I really do love what I do, because not only do I enjoy explaining coverages to customers, and I enjoy letting them know what they're signing up for, and I enjoy, you know, helping them through every step of the process, signing them up, you know, having them enroll in our DriveWise program and e-signing their documents. I walk them through every step of the way. And I also get really well how do you say I really get reimbursed? No, that's not right. I get like, I get compensated. There we go. I get compensated for what I do, and I love it. If you watch my video to the end, wow, thank you. That was really surprising, because that really helps me as a growing little YouTuber. I really appreciate every single one of your views and likes and comments. Please leave me any comments that you have about me below, anything that I left out. Please feel free to let me know. But yeah, thank you for watching. I don't know when I'm gonna post again, because I don't know. I'm not like all that organized. You know, sometimes I'm like, damn, am I really meant to be an influencer? Because it's hard. This is really hard. But I'm trying to post more. So yeah, follow me on this journey. Subscribe to me if you want to see more of my content. I post beauty videos, like get ready with me, vlogs, and insurance content. Thank you. Bye.